My name is Joy Phillips and I'm a nutritionist. Over the years, I've developed my passion into specifically creating dishes that are not only delicious, but also have real medicinal health benefits. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you some of my favourite dishes, which are super simple to prepare. So let's get on with it. We are making today Korean chicken with a sesame sprinkle. Super easy, lots of Asian flavours. And firstly, we're going to make the sauce. So we're going to get the red onion and put it into the bowl. Red onions, really good for you. All onions are good for you, good for your respiratory, good for eyes, for asthma, everything. But the more colourful the vegetable, the more antioxidants they have. So we want to get lots and lots of coloured vegetables into your diet, like the rainbow colours of all the vegetables. So in with the onions, we want to put the tamari, which is the soy sauce. Tamari is soy, but it's just more processed in a cleaner way, and it's gluten-free. So if we pour the soy sauce in with the onions, and then we have some apple cider vinegar. This is really, really good for the gut, and it's fermented. So we want to get lots and lots of like fermented foods to rebalance the gut flora. Here we have some sesame oil, rich in sesame seeds, lots of minerals, nutrients, and it's very rich, so we only need a little bit. Pour that in. And we have some maple syrup. Out of all the sugars, the maple syrup has the most antioxidants. And sugar is sugar, but it's natural. And it's also said it's actually very good for you as well. Here we have the ginger, king of the spices, antibacterial, antiviral, good for nausea. It actually has a neurotransmitter from the brain to the gut that blocks out sickness. Garlic, very good for you, of course. It detoxifies the blood, cleanses the blood. And some chilli, great for flavouring and also good for the blood as well, some capsicum. So we have all that mixture there. Just mix all that up together. And you've got lots and lots of really lovely Asian flavours. Mix that up. Then we just need to get our bowl, our dish for the oven. If you take your chicken, now we're using chicken thighs, you can use like chicken breast. Chicken thighs, lovely because it's kind of brown meat. Put your thighs into the dish. Again, you know, chicken, really versatile, lots of protein and also iron. It's got hemi-iron, which means the iron can be absorbed in your system very quickly. Vegetables, you have to think about this if you're on a plant-based diet, is non-hemi-iron. If you're taking only a plant-based diet, you need to take, which is also ideal with this, vitamin C helps absorb the iron easier into your system. It will get absorbed, but it's just a slightly different process. So we've got our chicken there, so lots of protein there, and then we just take the sauce that we've just mixed and you pour that over the chicken thighs. Pop that into the oven, 220 fan or 200 normal oven for 20 minutes. And that will come out of the oven roasted and all those flavours marinated together. And the smell is delicious. You've got all that aroma of all those Asian flavours. And then we just make the sesame sprinkle, which is chives, coriander, sesame seeds and some chilli. And you just sprinkle that over the top for serving. And can be served with brown rice, pak choy, lovely, super delicious supper. There we have a Korean chicken with a sesame sprinkle.